Before starting, ensure your sensor setup meets the minimum requirements to perform the walking calibration. A complete lower body setup is required. When you're ready to start, choose your configuration in MR3, then start your measurement. From here, select the walking calibration on the right, then activate. Ensure your subject starts in the standing pose. Watch for straight arms and legs and toes pointed forward. The calibration mat can be used to ensure consistent facing direction and foot position during the calibration and subsequent ref poses. When the subject is in the correct standing pose, select Capture. This initial calibration takes 5 to 7 seconds. Select Start, then instruct your subject to begin walking forward normally and at a normal pace for about 3 seconds, then turn around and walk back. It's important that the subject ends in the same calibration position as they started and in the same spot. Once in place, select Stop Activity. After this, the standing pose must be captured once more. To store the calibration and apply it to the next measurement, select Save and Measure again. Once saved, the next screen will prompt you to activate using the functional calibration. The subject should stay in the same standing pose during activation. Once ready to begin your activity, select Record, then return to ref pose. After performing your activity, and before ending the measurement, ask your subject to return to the initial standing pose location and position and apply an additional return to ref pose. You can either save and measure again, which will allow you to use the same walking calibration, making sure to apply a ref pose at least at the beginning and end of each recording, or save and view to view your recording. In the saved recording, return to ref pose markers will be shown in the timeline where they were placed in real time.